Okay, we're back again at the blessing garden. This is June 20th, and it's been a while since I've done a video, but I'll show you our progress here from where we started. And zucchini, we've been picking zucchini already. We've got quite a few out so far we picked out. We also have cucumbers that we've been picking, and our tomatoes. Looks like we better start picking some tomatoes here. We got some going here. We got more over here, and then we've got the third row. And on this end, there's a nice look at that tomato. There's a nice one there. And here's our peppers. We've got peppers here. These are sweet peppers. And we've got some of these cherry tomatoes here. And these are hot peppers. So we're going to have plenty of peppers. Our lettuce is about done. It's all bolted, and we'll have to pull it out. Yeah, it looks like we've got a watermelon growing there. Yeah, we got more watermelon here, and we've got a little guy. Let's see, a little watermelon right there. A little watermelon going. So we've got some stuff going on in our little blessing garden here at the church. And our okra doesn't look too good. Real short. Of course, there's not the soil here. It's really just growing in compost. There's not much. And we've got some beans, just a few beans here. And the other addition I've got I could show you here is a fig tree. So on the outside we've got a fig tree that, this one I started from root last winter, and it's doing pretty good. It's coming right along, so in a few years we'll be getting some figs off of this tree. So, and when you're propagating a fig tree, propagating from a root really works the best. I did it with prunings this year, but I took them out too soon, and they had too much sunlight, and I killed them. They need to be in a cooler, dark place for a longer period of time. But we've got some tomatoes on the outside. I know the deer are enjoying those, so I don't know if we'll get to enjoy those. And we got some cucumbers on the outside. They're coming along, and we put a couple of marigolds here and there. And so there are some cucumbers, but we really don't have the depth of soil that we need here. And if you look at the ground here, it's really red clay. Being in North Carolina, a lot of red clay here. So maybe we put a couple more marigolds on this end, and a couple tomatoes, and threw a pepper in there. I think we had extra plants, we threw them on the outside. And so anyway, that's our blessing garden. This is another little, see that? I don't think you see that. That is a little tiny fig tree there. I don't know if it's going to make it or not, but I put a cage around it just in case. So I just wanted to give you our update on our blessing garden. There it is. And we've been able to bless a few people with it so far. So anyway, you have a great time, great day, and God bless. We'll talk to you later. Bye.